Welcome to Barika, the AI-powered co-marketing platform. This video will walk you through the main features available to Shopify merchants after installing the Barika app. Let's get started. After installing Barika from the Shopify App Store, you'll have to log in to an existing Barika account or create a new Barika account to arrive at Barika landing dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your co-marketing activity. As a brand account owner, you have two roles. As a host partner, you can include other brands' offers in your transactional emails and earn revenue. As an offer partner, you can create offers that get matched to other merchants' emails. The dashboard shows key metrics including impressions, engagements, and your current earnings and spending at a glance, and quick action links. The Brand Offer Center is where you create and manage your brand offers. The Brand Offer Center gives you a quick snapshot of how many offers you have, how many are live, and whether anything needs attention. Below that, you can search and filter your offers, see each offer's status, channel, campaign, spend, and safety stage, and click in to manage details. At the bottom, you have a campaigns area where you can search, view, and create campaigns to keep related offers grouped for easier management. To create a new offer, click Create Offer and select Email. To learn more about detailed steps on how to create your first Barika offer, watch our How to Create Your First Barika Offer video in the Barika Help Center. The Partnership Center shows your co-marketing partnerships. Here, you can see which brands your offers have been matched with and which brands' offers have appeared in your emails. Match Fabric, our 5-layer AI matching system, ensures offers are contextually relevant based on keywords, categories, and customer preferences. You can review partnership performance and see engagement metrics for each collaboration. The Revenue Center tracks your host partner earnings. When you include other brands' offers in your transactional emails and customers engage with them, you earn revenue. The Executive Summary section shows a clear summary of your earnings and performance, including what's available, pending, and total, plus how many messages have been monetized and your average revenue per message. Below the summary, you can expand sections for payments and payouts, statements, revenue analytics, and revenue share. This allows you track performance and manage how money moves through the Barika platform. The Spend Center shows your offer partner spending. This tracks how much you've spent getting your offers placed in other trusted merchants or brand partners' emails. At the top, you'll see your spend and wallet summary. This displays your current wallet balance, total spend, messages enhanced with your offers, and average daily and monthly costs. You can filter by product and time period. In Wallet and Funds, you can set up auto top-up to keep your wallet funded automatically and manage your payment methods. Payments and Transactions shows your complete transaction history, top-ups, campaign charges, and their status. Spend Analytics breaks down your spending by type, partnership, product, overtime. And Cost Rates displays your current pricing, cost per reach, and cost per engagement rates for a customer engagement channel. The Brand Trust Center is where you manage trust and safety settings for your co-marketing partnerships. Here, you can set your brand preferences, including which categories of offers you want to include or exclude, create whitelist or blacklists of specific brands, and set frequency caps and geographic restrictions. For Shopify merchants, the Email Configuration section lets you connect your store's transactional emails to the Barika network. You can configure which email event types, like order confirmations, shipping notifications, or delivery updates, are eligible for co-marketing enhancements. You can also set up your email templates by configuring the placement zones where co-marketing offers will appear with clear instructions on how to add the Barika code snippet to your Shopify email templates in your Shopify admin. These preferences ensure you only participate in co-marketing partnerships that align with your brand values, giving you complete control over which brands appear alongside yours. Your brand reputation is non-negotiable. The Brand Trust Center keeps it protected. The Integration Center is where you manage all your platform connections. Under Connected Stores, you can see your linked stores with their connection status, showing whether they're connected and active. Under Available Integrations, you can connect additional stores, such as additional Shopify stores, by entering your store URL and clicking Connect. And that's a wrap! That was a complete tour of the Barika platform.